Assuming June. कल सुबह का इवैल्यूएशन जो होगा पीपीटी में शेयर करूंगा ग्रुप में आज यहाँ से निकलने के बाद। हाँ उसी में गाड़ी नहीं अभी लेक्चर के स्टार्ट करेंगे सर। इवैल्यूएशन मतलब वो मैं बता दूँगा। चलो फिर ठीक है प्लीज।
So abhi I will show some of the work we did in our, that is my project on unmanned vehicles. Okay, I will show just 2 vehicles which I have developed. So we have some looks, and also for development I will give just small ideas how to develop the system. Okay. So we have seen paddy transplanter, paddy rice transplanter, and in right-on type paddy rice transplanter we have in the system like this. That is, 1 is our steering, 2 is our forward reverse direction, and 3rd is our brake, 4th one is our transplanter, nursery tray lifting and lowering, 5th one is our transplanting arm. There is a transplanting arm. Have you seen, right? You have seen this one, transplanter.
Yes.
So that's why then only this control will be understandable. And the 6th one is remote on and off. Using the remote control system, we can on the unit and off the unit. So I will tell what is the advantage of the system. So these are the total important controls in the rice transplanter. Okay. So what we planned is to make it as a remote control system initially, then a GPS operated system, auto guide system. Okay. So this one we converted, what I told is here, what are the different systems, and initially we thought like to do this like this, and later we have little changed it. You can see the animation. So this is our initial proposal for any autonomous system, for any of the thing you have to make a design. Already you have learned the design, so that idea you needed. So these are the different designs in the system. This is a linear actuator for operating different levers. Okay. So there are 6 control in the rice transplanter, right? You have to know the force of each lever. So based on only you will select the electronic actuators, the linear solenoid, linear actuator and all. So we have tested using the load cells dynamometer to know how much load is required on that. And based on that we have selected the electronic components. You can see for speed control and brake, transplanting arm we have taken a linear actuator, and for transplanting tray linear actuator, and steering control we have taken wiper motor. So these are the different attachments that we have did. You can see here the steering we have given wiper motor here, and here for forward and reverse connecting rod is there. There we have given linear actuator. Okay. So this is the place where the brake will be applied. We have given linear actuator, and for the transplanting arm, rising and lowering, and planting arm, this 5 number also we have given linear actuator. So these are the total setup. See, if you start working on the robotic rover, there are so many things will be added later. So initially we thought only for moving the vehicle right and left and transplanting, rising, lowering, like that. So here you can see that remote control we use is a receiver. Okay. So you can see this is the receiver. Okay. And this motor drive are used for steering and also linear actuator, and next is motor drive. Motor drive we are going to have now. What is purpose, how it is working. So the same replica I will going to show you this small model. Okay. So that's why I am telling this. So remote control we are now going to use our mobile phone. Whatever we are having, I will tell one app to install it. And the second one is receiver side. We are going to use Bluetooth HC05 Bluetooth receiver. Okay. So that we will be communicating from your mobile to the system, and the same system you will be having one motor drive we used for controlling different wheels. But here what I have done is for giving steering and also for transplanting arm, lifting, lowering, and forward, reverse, everything. Okay. So what happened is actually this part up to here to that receiver. This is only the vehicle for running forward, reverse, left, right, and the tray up and down. So next what we did is, the problem is that someone come in the field suddenly or accidentally, while driving remote some plants come, it will go and hit, right? So it's not hit. So it should jump our command and it should stop itself. So what we done is same ultrasonic sensor we installed, and we have given relay. So relay is nothing but an electronic switch, right? You are on the fan and off the fan. So here whenever the ultrasonic gets some signal, it will transmit to the relay and it will on off the switch light. Okay? And what we did, whenever something is coming in front of that, the brake will be applied. Sorry, here relay, this relay, and brake will be applied. So the accident can be avoided. So this is the another segment we added laterally. Then other segment again we went. So all the things we have made like that. But why you should on the machine by going to the machine? Let me on it from anywhere else. Okay. So what have we planned is instead on from the vehicle, we thought we will have auto on. So we made auto on system also. And again after that also we have faced the problem. The problem is that car we have reverse camera, right? While we don't have eye on the reverse, so we will have used the reverse camera. Similarly, what happens in the field while remote operating, on the other side your bump will not be visible. So you don't know where to turn the vehicle, right? That is a major problem because you are turning in front, then the area will be lost. Your uniform planting will not be happening. So what we did, we made an idea that camera 360-degree camera assistance system. So similarly like our reverse camera, we will be having whenever needed the operator can engage the camera, so he can see the other side of the one. So one will be more than 100 meter, 200 meter, more than that, right? So that time we can engage on the camera and we can turn that. So this is the whole idea we have done it. So after this setup, we plan for have 4 points of the, for example, this is our field, and we plan to have first point, second point, third point, fourth point. And we will give GPS system inside that and feedback system, and the planter itself makes path. For example, 2 meter in and 2 meter it will go, next round it will itself takes, and next round it itself take, and it will end in the loss. After completion of work, it will stop there and it can be remotely taken out. So that is the idea we are doing now, and so far the remote system what I told we have did, and I will show that video. Okay. So this is the initially we study in lab how it is working. Okay. So whatever I control I told it will be here and you will get this. So this is auto start. The vehicle will be start from a distance of 100 meter. For example, the vehicle is the set, you don't need to go to the set, just in your home you can start and you can march the vehicle. Okay. So this is the steering system. You can see the wheel, left and right turning. We have made the arrangement taking the steering wheel, and this is the forward reverse direction of the vehicle. Okay. So in the connecting rod we have, instead of connecting rod we have given a linear actuator. So this is the linear actuator. You can see they are having good torque, and also a step by step increment will be there. So here we can't use linear solenoid, why? Because suddenly it will do it. So we don't want that. Here we want step by step. So we have used it. So that's what I am saying. Why we have selected actuators in different place? I am mentioning that issue. Okay. This is forward happening, and I think the video will stop and I will show the reverse. So apart from that, there will be a transplanter rising and lowering and planting of engaging, disengaging, braking apply will be there. Okay. So you can see how the vehicle is reversing. So I have to come outside for increase the speed and go over the. So this is a tray up and down. Nursery will be placed in this tray for transplanting in the field. So when we don't want to go and lower this, so we also made this remote control system. Okay, this is how it is worked. And next one is planting arm, and the next one is brake application. And then we have also given the emergency stop system. Whenever the obstacle comes in front of the vehicle will stop. Okay. Irrespective of whatever signal you are doing, forward, reverse, right, left, it will not hear anything. It will be in emergency stop mode. Okay. So this is run in the off field, that is not in puddle field. You can see how well it is turning. Like your vehicle, like your car, it is even the soft time we drive, it is working well. I will show the field photos also. Just I will show the emergency stop system, then I will go ahead. So have you seen this vehicle before? No. Remote control system, anything like this, not only this, anything like that. You have seen, right? No, okay, no problem. So this is the system, and I will show the emergency stop, then I will go ahead. The problem is we can work in off field, that is in the hard soil, but in soft soil, even you will face so much of slip, okay, because of that. In our field, there is so much of clay. I don't know what is soil here. Yes, clay is there, or sandy one. So our place is full of clay. Very even we go to the depth of 2 feet like that. This is emergency stop. Whenever a person comes in front, it will stop automatically without any signal. Okay. So next I will go. So we have tested in the field. So this video. If this another one video I will show, then we will complete this and we will go for practical class. Okay. So if I take class on this, it will take so much time. So this is the system actually where we have tested in the field. You can see. You see, it will be there. This much of problem will be there. Say, even operator is working. That undulation will be there while taking to the field. Okay. And this is the system. You can see the camera here. You can see the emergency stop system here. You can see the forward direction system here. And this is the time where it will take some time. So another vehicle we have developed a tractor vehicle. This system is only we have given a support of remote system. The vehicle is commercially available. We have given only a remote system for this vehicle. And I will show the machine which we have developed completely. That is tractor vehicle, very good vehicle. That also I will show the video. So have you seen any tractor vehicle remote control one? Not so far. So, how many of you from agriculture engineering? Meanwhile, if you come correct, we will say only one and two, other three. So, no problem. This is purely on agriculture. We are from agriculture. We should know all one another. Like, then we will get idea. Okay? So, see the machine is working, how the training is there, how it is planting, everything. Now we are in the system process of licensing it. The companies are coming forward to license the remote control system. Okay, so we are doing very soon. It will be licensed and it will be commercially available. So the man standing here, you can see who is that. Okay. So we taken nearly 1 acre of land. We have tested this system, how much time taking comparative to the manual operator. Since it is a second trial, we saw little difference in the time compared to manual, but the working is very good. You can see this complete video. I have made this video more than half an hour, but I have cropped it a little. So further we are planning to have a autonomous system. There are 2 points will be located, it is a planned and like a drone. It is available, it is not a new technology, but only thing we have to make a feedback system based on that path plan. So this is totally we tested in Tamil Nadu University land. So after this we have tested, I told now remote control and manual driving, what is difference and everything we have tested. So one thing I like to show is this one, and you see this one is very interesting. We have completely developed this system. I am the PA of this project. You can see. So this system, can you guess how much big it will be? Can anybody say how big it will be? This is 2 feet by 3 feet. very small vehicle. And you can anybody say what is advantage of this vehicle, where it can be used?
No spacing problems.
Yes, very good. We don't have any vehicle to work on wet soil, right? And we have combined harvester tractor vehicle. So wherever the wet soil is there, wherever the soft soil is there, wherever the hilly region is there, terrain region is there, wherever the undulation is there, all the tests will work. And the advantage of this system is, whether you have worked with power tiller, two-wheel drive, you have to have that much of load in your hand to turn, to drag, vibration, so much drudgery. You can see here turning. Can you see the turning? So one of the big drawback in agriculture is that for forestry is that you should have headlands. Headland to turn. For car, how you can turn? You will not turn from same position, rotation. But this vehicle, you see what is happening. So headland problem can be eliminated here. You can turn on the same position. Okay. In hilly area, we don't have headland areas. Very small. You can even cascade around same. But maybe up to 3 feet, 4 feet contours were there. So we can turn easily there and we can use it. So this is very compact system, can use it for multiple operations. I also saw some of the available this system unmanned ground vehicle also. So these are the different levels of automation. First level, the operator will be there, he will keep the auto drive. So steering, auto steering. So what happens whenever it goes straight? There he has to take only the straight line. He will give auto steering. So he will lock the steering and he will, with the GPS he will make straight line. It will go straight. So while training, the person has to tail it. That is first level of automation. And the second level, what happens? Just he will be monitoring the system. He is not doing anything. Just you will see all the operations. For example, rice transplanter, riding of vehicle, lifting, lowering. Everything only is steering, auto steering. All other things he will do. In this stage, here the person will be not doing any work, just sitting, or like our unmanned vehicle will be somewhere else, and all the operation will be done. Okay? And the third stage, the system, machine, and what I told the first point and end point. The vehicle will communicate with the other vehicle. For example, planting is over, come for spray, like that. So vehicle will communicate with other vehicle, and it will command to other vehicle like this is over, you come for this. This is over, you can come for after 4 days. Like these are the level of automation. We are in the process of second level. Okay. So these are some of the things I want to show you, because you will get an idea. Okay, what is happening and what are things. This is developed in India by Bengaluru one company. You can see this is picking the cotton gold. Okay, based on the image processing. So it is differentiating the soil, leaf and bowl based on color. Accordingly, this robotic arm, this pneumatic operated robotic arm going to the place and harvesting it. Okay, this is high clearance vehicle. You can see it. So these are not my work. It is online available work. I want just to show you how it is doing. So based on suction principle, it is taking the bowls from the cotton crop. This is another vehicle. What happened in your maybe in apple field, you will harvest, some person will be kept and he has to take it to the shed where it can be loaded to other place. Okay. So here what they did, they make a load vehicle where it will find the person where is standing and itself it will go to that person, and once it is loaded, it come back to the shed where it has to be unloaded. Okay, it is for fruits. So similar like of avoiding pollution, the vehicle will stop whenever the person is coming in front of it. Okay. So this can work well in a greenhouse system. You don't want much to carry or much to this thing, it can work. It is find out in, it will stop whenever the person is coming. So this is the another area. And here you can see the sprayer. Sprayer is not only adversely affecting the environmental but also human who is spraying, right? So you can see here one sprayer was developed in China which is spraying, and you can see simultaneously in the other part the person is spraying. So this is a system similar like our track type system, is spraying like this. You see another part, the person is spraying like this. Okay. So it is a path planning system using LiDAR sensor and the camera which it will make its own path and between the two rows, and it will complete the operation of payment, and it will stop at the end of the base. Okay. Just I am showing the ideas, I am not going details. So it is autonomous navigation system based on. So always GPS will not help. We need a GPS, LiDAR sensor, and if you are adding camera systems, it will be a more accurate system. See here, they will be telling the same thing. They will be having a camera, LiDAR sensor, camera sensor, and also GPS. You can see this some lines. This is the camera, this is the LiDAR sensor, and this is they are taken camera from top and also from the side, and also they are mounted GPS. So multiple systems they are taking to make it more precise to work on the field. So this is what I told path planning. It will make its plan. Can see here. So that's all. Thank you. We will go for practical class. Any doubt you can ask. Otherwise we'll go. We are short of time. So we will have some practical there. We will see remote system and also autonomous system time permits and also voice control. So what I like is instead of telling everything by myself, you learn yourself there. It's not a problem that you have did or not did. Maybe as that told me it is already you have did some work on that. So I am simplifying the work so that you can easily do and you can see yourself how it is working. So I am making all the simplifying. I have circuit diagram, I will show that, and I have that Bluetooth this one app. I will tell you which app to download. So we will give connection and we will test that. Okay. Before that, I will show how it is working ground. Then we will do that. I have one model.